far, what have you heard from JL that made you excited to come to the Philippines?
그 JL에게서 들은 필리핀에 대한 이야기 중에 필리핀에 오고 싶은 만든 가장 흥미로운 점을 좀 무엇인가 듣고 싶습니다.
Hi, Stephen. Firstly, from JL and just from like other friends that came to the Philippines and did a concert, I heard that the Philippine fans are just so like welcoming and has high energy. So yeah, I got really excited for this day, and I can't wait because even today during the media showcase, like the people, the 기사님들, the reporters were like so loud and like energetic. So it I kind of had like a taste of tomorrow. So I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to like just look at the countries while traveling. Just look at the country and try some Filipino foods.
Wait, any particular Filipino food you've tried or want to try?
혹시 이제 드셔본 필리핀 음식이 있으시거나 아니면 먹어보고 싶은 음식이 있으신지?
Yes. So for Filipino foods, I tried Hansing Canton, chili mansi, and a few other flavors. And I tried this sausage. Like I think you're talking about the longanisa.
Longanisa.
Yeah. And also we have Jollibee waiting for us.
You
so,
like
yeah,
Jollibee?
very excited to try that as well.
Okay. Does anyone else want to add? Yeah, you want to add? Yeah.
저도 똑같이 한식 칸돈은 처음으로 먹어봤는데
So it was his first time eating pancit canton.
한국 라면이랑은 또 정말 다른 매력으로 다가와서 요새 너무 맛있게 먹고 있고요.
So parang there was a very different charm of the flavor compared to Korean ramens. So talagang nag-enjoy siya.
That's MSG.
필리핀에 왔으니까 팬분들께서 추천해주시는 필리핀 음식들을 다 먹어보고
So since they are in the Philippines, they want to try yung suggested foods from the fans.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Okay, JL, if you could go back to the Philippines or if you had extra time, what kind of vacation or activities would you take the members to sa Philippines?
Hello po, I'm JL. Thank you po for the question. And I think po since it's summer, and yung country po natin, known po talaga siya sa mga magagandang islands po. Gusto ko po silang dalhin somewhere like sa Cebu po, or like somewhere po na may magagandang beach, and then mag-relax lang po kami. Palawan, Boracay, Siargao, yung mga ganong klaseng lugar po. I think mas better din po pumunta sa mga lugar na yun if magkakasama po kami.
Okay.
Especially lately po, we're like really working hard, so I think better po mag-relax.
Yeah, for sure. Nako, JL, pag sinabi